Are you on TikTok? Or maybe you're just curious about it and you like a good laugh. Today, I will show you my experience on TikTok. Hi, I am Pixelpia, a teacher with over 30 years of experience from Sweden and from the US. I am also a lifelong learner and I am curious. So when everybody said to me, you should go on TikTok, finally I gave in and I tried it. Today I want to share with you what I have experienced. But before we take a closer look at what I have done, let's talk about what TikTok really is. TikTok started out as an app called Musical.ly, and that was mostly lip syncing. Today, TikTok is in over 150 markets and has 75 languages. It has developed from being an app for lip syncing into a video sharing social media networking platform. You can create short videos between 3 and up to 60 seconds, and today most of the material is of course still lip syncing, but there is a lot of dancing, a lot of humor, and also a lot of challenges. You can use music that they provide from TikTok, and you can borrow sound bits from other users. You can do a lot of things. You can do duets and reactions to other TikTok users' videos. And as I said, I have just started, so this will be just the basics. First, I want to talk to you about what you can do as a viewer. Or rather, let's take a look at it up here.
Question.
Better than anyone I know.
Can I ask a dumb question?
The new TikTok challenge for you. Hashtag spread kindness. All you gotta do is follow me and then comment. When you comment, I'm gonna go to your page, scroll through your content, I'm gonna like your stuff, I'm gonna comment.
I have spent hours laughing at these TikToks. You just swipe up to go to the next one. It's quick, it's mostly fun, and if you run into something you don't like, you just keep on swiping. But if I just open the app as a viewer and don't have an account, I can only watch. I can't interact in any way. I can't like a video, I can't leave a comment. And did I mention that to do anything of that, to make a video, to interact, you need to be on your mobile. You can go to TikTok on your PC, but only to watch. So, if this looks like something you would like to try, let's take a look at how you can set up your account. So let's look up here again. When you open the app, you go to Me at the bottom right, and you end up at this sign up screen. You can sign up with your email or with your phone number, and they will send you a code you have to enter. When that is done, you create your password and your username. And here we are, the account is set up. I'm gonna add a photo to my profile. And as you can see, I can grab it and drag it to the point where I want it to be. And now, my TikTok account is ready. Okay, now you have set up your account, so now you can interact with the videos you like. You can leave a like, you can leave a comment, you can subscribe to people's channels, but you can also create your own TikToks. When I tried it first, and that was last fall, just to see what it was, I uploaded one of my videos, a little shorty I did from YouTube. And let's take a look at how that looked on TikTok. You see, the format was wrong. They do portrait, and my YouTube videos is in landscape mode. So I decided to try to do some things with photos I had, and I used music. This music comes from Arte Morbid, Frank G, who has presented the world with free music to use. This was around Halloween. It's a little spooky. So here we go. So after this, I was a little disappointed. This wasn't at all what I thought it would be. So I didn't open my TikTok app for 7 months until a couple of weeks ago, and I decided, okay, everybody is talking about you should try TikTok. So I said, okay, let's give it a second chance. I was watching a lot of videos. I was swiping and watching and laughing, and all of a sudden I saw one with a sound that I wanted to use. So this is my first real TikTok video.
Okay, TikTok, this sound is only for people who are over 50 years old. So all of you people born in the 1960s or earlier, let's see your faces in the video.
After that, I did a second one using a sound from another TikToker, or I'm not even sure what they are called, but I created this.
New TikTok challenge. No makeup, no filters. Let's see what you look like.
Try to be with him again.
And then I found effects, and I did this one.
Okay, so I heard that the kids are complaining that so many elderly are on TikTok. That's when I decided to start.
And now I felt that maybe there is something to these TikToks. So now I wanted to make a statement.
Hi there. You might ask, why is this woman on TikTok? She's old, a baby boomer. She's not dancing. She's not lip syncing. She's not even very funny. The simple answer to that is because I can. And if you don't like it, just swipe up.
There are so many functions that I haven't even touched yet. I don't think I have used the ones I have tried to its full capacity either. If you are interested and think you would enjoy creating your own TikTok videos, let me know in the comments below, and I will do a second video about TikTok where I show you how I filmed these videos. I think the charm with TikTok is that it's fast. It's not easy to make good TikTok videos. It's a different way of creating than YouTube. And if you just want to have a little fun, spread some laughter, maybe TikTok is for you. I always like to learn. Remember, never stop learning.
I'm tired. Oh, Nana.